Today, we're going to explore Zorin OS 17.3. Whether you are a GNOME or KDE person, you'll find the aesthetic of this operating system to be beautiful. Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu, and it uses a highly themed GNOME desktop environment. Zorin provides many customization options by default, which you can find on the vanilla GNOME. In the Zorin appearance, we can find many different layouts for the desktop. I really like that it provides predefined custom layouts. The default theme looks very pleasant to the eyes, even with the dark mode. They also provide some more desktop layouts with their Pro version. This is one of the Linux distro where you can buy a Pro version to support them. Zorin features a jelly mode for the Windows, which I find really nice. Unlike GNOME desktop, Zorin lets you use the desktop icons. The window title bars can be customized as well, including moving the placement of the title bar buttons. You can even change the system fonts, like the GNOME tweak. You can use the software to get all your apps from. It lets you install apps from the Snap Store, FlatHub Store, and the apt repository of Zorin OS. Zorin OS also comes with some nice backgrounds. Zorin OS uses the same kernel as the latest Ubuntu LTS version. It is currently using GNOME version 43.9. The default browser of Zorin OS is Brave. It features a Zorin Connect app, which is just KDE Connect to connect with your phone. Like many distros, LibreOffice is the default word processor here. Most of the apps provided here are the GTK-based apps from the GNOME environment, but they use the Zorin theme perfectly. They provide a Windows application installer, which you can use to install a Windows application, just like how you would in the actual Windows operating system. I decided to install Notepad++ to try it out, and it went very smoothly. This is the end for today's video. I hope you liked the exploration of Zorin OS with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.